Every year, the average person produces nearly 475 pounds of food waste. As a country, this adds up to over 70 million tons of food waste and is the third largest component by weight in our landfills. So what are we going to do to solve such an issue? When two biologists and two engineers came together, the idea for a community compost system was formulated. First of the 3 units is a small-scale waste collector, where food will be inserted through the top. Once the lid is closed, the protective layer will open and allow food into the shredder unit. The unit will be electric-free as a side crank powers the shredder. Afterwards, the food will move into the collecting drawer located at the bottom. An adjustable lid detaches from the back and is inserted into the bottom drawer. This will limit human and waste interaction once the waste is ready to be composted. The removable drawer will be placed into the community composter's open valve. It will click right into place once aligned. Inside the collection drawer is a bottomless compartment which contains the food waste. By pushing its backside, all the waste will be deposited into the composter, limiting human contact once again. Once inside the compost bin, food will begin to decompose through aerobic digestion. Ventilation holes will allow oxygen to come into the bin to complete the process. We have also incorporated a compost turner to constantly keep new passageways for air and moisture. When compost is ready, it will be accessible from the side. With our 3 units, community residents will have the opportunity to place shredded waste into either the compost bin or into the curbside waste collector. Any compost produced will then be used to supply and nourish a community garden. Adjustable garden beds allow for residents to organize and modify the garden to their liking. On the other hand, any extra waste can be deposited into the curbside waste collector for biofuel and anaerobic digestion pickup.